Oh, thank you so much, ma'am, and it was really informative. In fact, I'll say that, ma'am, like practical knowledge we gain on day-to-day basis, but theoretical knowledge, especially the concepts, are more clearer to me now. And of course, there are a lot of much to implement. I've made all the notes with me of the lecture, and definitely I'll try to emphasize all these points and leadership traits and in my teamwork. Thank you so much. I'm really benefited. I feel that it's really great, and I've learned a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the session. It was indeed very interactive. Initially, also, before the start, I was also a little bit very apprehensive. Ki how is it going to be? But and also very enriching. And there are certain things that we do practice in our everyday work, but when it comes back, trails back to the theory part of it, it's like we got a full overview of how it has to be and how it is and how we can make it. So I'm going to take a lot of things from your session, and yes, I'm going to live them, try to implement them in my role as well. Thank you so much.